A domestic air passenger traffic hit a historic record on November 17.
जब हौसला बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, फिर देखना फिजूल है कद आसमान का.
Wherein about 5.05 lakh domestic passengers departed on a single day. While announcing this milestone, Civil Aviation Ministry also stated how this achievement is a testament to their commitment of providing affordable, accessible and seamless air travel. In fact, the increase in air traffic data pre and post-COVID pandemic is one of the best examples of how the current government has efficiently outperformed India in this sector. For instance, a report by rating agency ICRA had projected a 15% year-on-year increase in air passenger traffic in financial year 24. Basically, surpassing pre-COVID levels by 10%. And while the global passenger traffic only recovered to 96% of pre-pandemic levels in CY 2023, Indian airports have surpassed that mark, reaching 106%. And of course, the credit for which should be given to the immense development work related to the civil aviation infrastructure undertaken under the vision of Modi government.
मेरा तो सपना है कि हवाई जहाज में कौन लोग बैठने चाहिए. ये जो एक बना हुआ है ना, बड़े बाबू, बड़े बड़े लोग, धनी लोग, ये दुनिया उन्हीं के लिए है. इस देश की जो सुविधाएं अमीरों को प्राप्त हैं, वो मेरे देश के गरीब को भी मिलनी चाहिए. जो सामान्य व्यक्ति हवाई चप्पल पहन करके घूमता है, वो मुझे हवाई जहाज में दिखना चाहिए. ये मेरा सपना है.
In which you see the number of airports have almost doubled in the last one decade, from 74 in 2014 to about 157 now. Launch of Udan scheme in 2016 has made regional connectivity in India more accessible and affordable. More than 1.43 crore people have availed the benefits and more than 2.8 lakh flights are operating under this scheme. The Civil Aviation Ministry has encouraged developing greenfield airports in collaboration with state governments so that carbon neutrality and zero emission protocols can be prioritized. In terms of data, about 12 greenfield airports have been constructed or operationalized since 2014. Airports like Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru have achieved level 4+, as well as higher airports international council accreditation and have become carbon neutral. Indian civil aviation industry is on its peak now and is booming with year-on-year growth, both in terms of revenue and passenger traffic.